just Captain Bansal, we are getting back-to-back breaking updates, so we want to make our viewers aware of the current situation and what Pakistan has been up to since when it comes to last evening's operation that has been launched to counter Pakistani strikes, where Pakistan attempted to infiltrate Indian airspace with swarm drones across LOC and international border. Indian Army launched coordinated counter-drone operation. What is being said, over 50 drones have been neutralized and they have been shot down. And these operations took place in Udhampur, in Samba, in Jammu, in Aknoor, in Nagrota, in Pathankot. And mainly, Priyank, who is with us, getting us this information, are these very areas in Jammu where there are military installations.
Moving. Yes, certainly, Amita, these are the locations which were put under attack by the Pakistanis. I would say they attempted to put under attack, and what the forces have done, that they have neutralized 50 enemy drones which came towards the Indian side. This was not a kind of soft kill. This was a hard kill, which certainly showed the kind of level of preparedness that forces had. We are reporting from Srinagar, and you can see that the city has started moving slowly. It's early in the morning. And after the blackout which was witnessed here, the sounds of the siren which could also be heard in the other portions of Jammu and Kashmir. Now the city has started moving and people have started coming out on the streets. So what if you compare the two different visuals which came out from Lahore early in the day yesterday and the visuals which came out from India, it was quite clearly showing that how Pakistan have cowardly sent their drones. What we did, we attacked them in the bright sunlight. The visuals could clearly show that around 8:30 there was swarm of drones which was sent till Lahore as well as in Rawalpindi. But what Pakistanis have done, that they use the sunset in the night where they send the swarm of drones, so create panic. It was quite clear from the Indian side that we had to give them a lesson. The normal residents should not be hampered, their life should not be hampered. But Pakistanis prefer to create a panic which is certainly not seen here, where people have come out right now. They cooperated with the agencies. There was already an alert that there could be drill, silence could be, sound could be heard, and people will have to move to a safer location. That was also heard. But there are several locations here in the Uri sector as well as in Poonch sector where the residents could not move to a safer location because the drones and these artillery shelling was certainly hitting out on the civilian area. In Uri sector, one resident has died, 9 people have been injured, and similar kind of report is also coming out from the Poonch sector. But what senior officials in the security establishment and the government sources have been telling you to Times Network, that there have been 50 enemy drones which have been brought to ground by Indian Armed Forces. That was a hard kill which was used by the forces to bring these drones down on the ground.
Okay, all right. So this has been India's response, and in a few hours from now, we will also have an official response on the Operation Sindoor that has continued overnight, and this was on expected lines. And Colonel Utkarsh Rathod, while we speak about India's response and the air defense systems as well, just a mere comparison with the details that we have at the moment, it's very clear that Pakistan's air defense system failed miserably. And on the other side, India's defense system was so good that multiple attempts by Pakistan were all thwarted.
India has actually integrated its air defense very well. At one end of the spectrum, you have S-400 Triumph, which is a very state-of-the-art technology and weapon system. We are still using L-70 guns and Zu-23. So this is the spectrum we are having, but very nicely it has been designed and architectured and integrated. That is why in each successive altitude, the incoming drones or any aerial object, they meet some resistance and they get shot down. And this is a really pleasant surprise to see that in the entire length of our western border, we have been repeating it right from Srinagar to Kutch.
And how well prepared we are, especially when it comes to how efficient our system is. But right